you hear the sound of heaven, like the sound of many waters? It's the sound of worship flowing from the throne. There are cries of adoration as men from every nation lift your voice to make His glory known. Can you hear the sound of heaven, like the sound of many waters? It's the sound of glory, and it's flowing from His throne. There are cries of adoration as men from every nation lift their hands and voice to make His glory known, singing, holy, holy, holy are you, Lord. Singing, holy, holy, holy are you, Lord. The elders and angels bow, and in Kenya we worship you now. Holy, holy, holy are you, Lord. One more time, singing, holy, 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 holy are. His glory is on this ground, and when His glory comes, transformation happens. I want you to focus on Him right now. There is such weight on this ground. The elders, people are having encounters everywhere here. Don't be left out. Holy, holy. This is how my sister Sinach says it. She says, awesome God, how great Thou art. You are God, mighty are Your miracles. We stand in awe of Your holy. Lord, we bow down and worship. Sing awesome God right now, awesome God.